Nutanix Unified Storage enables our customers to consolidate their platforms and operations, scale on demand thanks to software-defined storage, and secure their environments all the way from the platform through the protocol service. You can see from this live view of the Nutanix Unified Storage validated design, we have clusters running virtualized workloads, Nutanix files, Nutanix objects, volumes, and for added measure, a backup cluster running Haiku, all using the same core platform and managed from Prism Central. Centralized management is a critical capability to eliminate silos. I can quickly manage the full lifecycle of my HCI-based virtual machines. I can monitor and configure my volume groups for use with Nutanix volumes, including the configuration of external clients over iSCSI. Further, I can view the health of my file servers and jump into operations or data protection, such as smart disaster recovery. Finally, I can fully and easily manage my objects instances from bucket creation through permissions management and replication. So in just a few clicks and a very short amount of time, I've moved between 4 separate virtualization and storage protocol services from the same management pane, greatly reducing operational complexity for our customers. You can also quickly scale these services thanks to our software-defined nature. For example, with objects, I can scale out this instance and add additional logical capacity, extend it to another cluster, or even tier its data to the cloud. Nutanix Files offers similar capabilities, including tiering data to S3 compliant targets, which can encompass a private or public cloud, like you can see here from the smart tiering page of DataLens. And when it comes to security, Nutanix offers end-to-end protection, whether it's security technical implementation guide standards enforced over time, or using services like security policies to restrict network access to specific subnets and protocols. But what happens if authorized clients and users are compromised? Nutanix has additional mechanisms to detect, prevent, and recover from malicious actors and ransomware, including native snapshots, worm capabilities with objects and now files starting with the 4.1 release, and ransomware protection with DataLens. And with the latest release of DataLens, ransomware protection in Nutanix Files, both file signature patterns and audit event patterns, which prevent zero-day exploits, are used not only to block file access, but prevent the client and user from accessing a share. For example, in near real time, I'm going to rename a file which matches a known ransomware variant. File blocking pattern detection will prevent this operation, and audit events will be sent to DataLens indicating a ransomware event. DataLens will then determine the client and user associated with the event and remove access for that client and that user from the impacted share. Now, this is a little sped up, but within 5 minutes or so, you'll see an alert surfaced on the dashboard showing both the client and the user. You can also dig into the real-time audit trails provided by DataLens and view the operations in more detail, whether they're the ransomware blocking events or other operations performed by this particular user. You can also see the status of the user as blocked. I can confirm from the client that I can no longer access the share. And you can also see the email that gets sent to any configured infrastructure, operations, or security administrator in the environment. So in roughly 5 minutes, I've stepped through our consolidated platform offering and centralized management, our software-defined flexibility, and end-to-end security, including ransomware protection, thanks to DataLens. A compelling unified storage offering for customers of really any size.
Thanks, Mike, for the compelling demo. And I really hope this flips the switch in the minds of our customers and prospects.